thanks to rattling trash can, you're gonna get a full roll-on throttle here. What it did do is reduce the drone. This used to be really bad. Here about 70 miles an hour. Ridiculous. Forgive the camera, but I'm gonna put it in the back just so you can hear that even in the back, near the actual exhaust, it's a Super 40 dual turn down with 3 1/4 inch pipe going to it. The truck also has ceramic coated Shorty Gibson headers with a custom exhaust from basically those headers all the way back. About 60 miles an hour right now. Here where I'm at, that's kind of like what the average speed you'll be driving on these roads anyway, on the highway. Every so often you'll get a 70 mile per hour zone. For the most part, it's between 55 and 60. Yeah. So I guess the biggest thing I've noticed with having the Kilmat installed is something that is super cool, in my opinion. I like to jam out in my truck, and right now I have it low. This Black Bear. I miss the old you. I'm gonna raise it up to a pretty high level, and then I'm gonna step outside. Take you out for dinners, take you shopping for them clothes. Before I got so distant. This is normally what I listen to it at. I miss the old you. I miss the old you. I used to hold you. Minimal. I mean, you can hear the engine. All that bass is contained inside. Super nice. You can jam out without messing with anybody else. Open the door, you can hear it louder again.